Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials: your SharePoint online site, a Power BI Pro or Premium per user license, and the right permissions. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data SharePoint Online List. Point to the list URL, not the site route. This ensures Power BI reads the table structure. Make sure to preview columns and data types so you won't need heavy reshaping later. This step saves time and prevents schema mismatches when publishing to the service. Once your list is in Power BI, use Power Query to clean and shape the data, remove nulls, set correct data types, and merge related tables. Then load to the model and create relationships using stable key columns. Set cardinality and single direction cross-filtering unless you need bidirectional for specific calculations. Next, add DAX measures for totals, ratios, and time intelligence. These steps convert raw items into trusted metrics, so reports refresh correctly and visuals remain performant when you publish. Now publish the report to a workspace in the Power BI service and point the dataset to the SharePoint source. Set up scheduled refresh or configure an on-premises data gateway if needed. Share the dashboard by granting workspace or app access. Use row-level security when required. If refresh fails, check the refresh history, authentication method, and whether columns were renamed in SharePoint. Those are the most common breakpoints. If permissions change, re-enter credentials and validate the dataset preview immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.